Hi, my name is Sierra Schaefer, and I'm really excited to share my creative advertisement with you guys. This was the original ad. I chose mounds because I don't know, I was kind of thinking of what was on my mind at the time, and I'm always thinking about chocolate, so I decided to do mounds. And surprisingly, there weren't a lot of advertisements about mounds. A lot of them were old school, so I couldn't find hardly any, but this one I found I really liked. So here we see the Mounds logo, and it's dark chocolate. It's got the kind of like the palm leaves in the background, and then the logo. The mounds that we see here are open, so you can see the inside. And the advertisement says, unwind with the rich dark chocolate and creamy coconut of a Mounds bar. And I said that the delicious candy bar that invites you to indulge and treat yourself. So we're going to kind of dig a little bit deeper into this and see what makes the original ad great. So the original ad, the logo, has those leaves and they kind of are in a pattern. It surrounds the mounds. We also see that red and white is pretty consistent. Red is a nice background color. It brings out the dark chocolate in the mounds, and the white is consistent on the inside of the mounds, in the logo, and with the text. That's something that's consistent. Another thing that's consistent with my ad and the original ad is that the mounds are open and the creamy insides are exposed. So I think that's really important to kind of show the full mounds, like what's on the inside and what's on the outside, because it talks about the rich dark chocolate and the creamy coconut. So I think that was important to repeat that element as well. Here we see that the text is also white and it is a sans serif text. And in my new ad, I kind of struggle with this a little bit. I have been working on it for a couple of hours, and honestly, by the time I came to this point, I was like, this is great. So here we see that we have more palm leaves, and the leaves are exposed in a large amount of this ad. The text is in white and it's got a little bit of that black shadow in the back, so you can really read the text and it really stands out. And you see that there's red flowers, and the white is the basis of the background. The logo in this time is "It's time you come to the dark side." I thought that was fun, and I think that the background of the palm leaves really helps one to relax and unwind, like that original ad had said. Another thing that is repeated is that the mounds are cut in half, so you can see the creamy goodness as well. And then this is the final picture. I love this picture because it exposes the inside of the mounds as well as the outside. So I love doing this project, and I'm so glad for all I've learned this semester. Thank you.